Shopping at Harbor Freight? Here are the 12 most common mistakes that could be quietly draining your savings. DIY projects can be a smart way to save money until they aren't. That's why so many shoppers turn to Harbor Freight, a discount retailer known for affordable tools and home project gear. But getting the best deal isn't just about showing up. Here are the most common mistakes people make when shopping at Harbor Freight and how to avoid them. Number 1. One of the biggest mistakes is not researching materials ahead of time. Walking in without a clear plan often leads to overbuying, missed items, or multiple trips back to the store. Before starting a project, make a detailed list and compare it to Harbor Freight's inventory. Employees can help, but preparation gives you the best chance of getting everything right the first time. Number 2. Another mistake is not checking the return policy. Harbor Freight offers a 90-day return policy for most items with proof of purchase. But some items are excluded, including replacement parts, abrasive materials, and used pumps or sprayers. Knowing the exceptions can save you time and frustration later. Number 3. Many shoppers also skip reading product reviews. A low price does not always mean good value. Reviews from customers who have used the tool over time can reveal durability issues or performance concerns. This is especially important for tools you plan to use frequently or under heavy stress. Number 4. Forgetting to use coupons is another costly error. Harbor Freight regularly offers coupons through its website, mobile app, and email or text alerts. These discounts can significantly lower the price on larger purchases. Checking for coupons before checkout can make a noticeable difference. Number 5. Some shoppers overlook Harbor Freight's lifetime warranties. Many hand tools come with a lifetime warranty and can be replaced if they break. Power tools are different and usually only include a 90-day warranty unless extra coverage is added. Knowing what is covered helps you protect your purchase. Number 6. Skipping extended service protection can also backfire. For tools that get heavy use, extended protection can cover repairs or replacement for 1 to 2 years after the original warranty ends. This can be a smart option for higher-priced equipment. Number 7. Not all in-house brands are created equal. Harbor Freight offers multiple brand tiers, ranging from basic DIY tools to professional-grade equipment. Asking staff which brand fits your project can help you avoid paying for features you do not need. Number 8. Many shoppers forget to check clearance sections. Clearance items can offer deeper discounts than coupons, especially on discontinued or overstocked tools. Always check both in-store and online before buying at full price. Number 9. Social media is another overlooked source of savings. Harbor Freight sometimes releases exclusive deals and flash sales through social media channels. Following official accounts can unlock discounts most shoppers never see. Number 10. Timing your purchases matters more than people realize. Major sales often happen around holidays, like Memorial Day, Labor Day, and Black Friday. Planning ahead can lead to discounts of 20% or more. Number 11. Buying tools you only need once is another budget drain. Some specialty tools are cheaper to rent or borrow instead of buying outright. This saves money and prevents clutter in your garage. Number 12. Frequent shoppers often overlook the Inside Track Club. The membership costs $29.99 per year. Members receive exclusive coupons, early sale access, and automatic discounts at checkout. For regular shoppers, the savings can outweigh the cost quickly. The bottom line is that Harbor Freight can be a great place to save money if you shop with intention. Research your tools, understand warranties, and stack coupons whenever possible. Avoiding these common mistakes can stretch your budget further without cutting corners.